Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can learn English in ChatGPT. So first, you're going to type give me 5 phrases in English, and then it'll give you 5. You can even get an explanation. It says what each of the phrases mean. Better late than never. It's better to do something late than not do it at all. Break the ice. Under the weather. A blessing in disguise. Burning the midnight oil. The 5th phrase, I've just heard of that today. And then you can even translate it to your language, for instance, in Indonesian translation. And then it will give the translation for the meaning. And then you can even say, let's start a casual conversation. And then you can answer in English. For instance, I'm going to answer it in an incorrect grammar. So maybe good. Day has been, oh my gosh, that bothers me a lot. Have been so far good. There. Correct my grammar. Okay, as you can see, it says your sentence could be corrected to my day has been good so far, or I'm having a good day so far, so it will also correct your grammar. You can also you can also type this in. Give me a few topics to practice English, daily routine, hobbies and interests, food and drinks, travel and places, movies and music, weather, future plans. Yes. So ChatGPT will also give you some example questions for each topic so you can practice speaking or writing in English. I am about to sneeze, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.